In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x800706b5. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together. And here, type for wsreset.exe. Copy and then paste it here at the YouTube description since I will be including this one. Or you can simply type it wsreset.exe. Click on the OK button. Wait until this procedure would be finished. This will help you to fix the problem. Once you are done with this, I want you to check if the error has been solved. But if not, then let's move on to the next solution, and that is here at the button search bar. You need to type for the CMD. So wait until you can see a command prompt system under the best match before we continue. Once you have seen it, navigate at the right side and wait until you can get that option called Run as Administrator. So please click on Run as Administrator, and if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So I want you to copy and paste this first set of command one by one. So the first set of commands will help you to stop the services. That includes the background intelligence service, the Windows update, the cryptographic service, as well as this appidsvc. Okay? So copy and paste it here one by one. Once done, proceed to the next. Proceed to the next once you're done with this previews. Just have to copy this one by one. So start the service at the very last procedure. Okay? After that, restart your computer and check if the error has been fixed. And if not, then let's move on to the last solution. Navigate at the button search bar, type for PowerShell. Then wait until you can see a best match, which is the Windows PowerShell, and then you need to click on Run as Administrator as well. So click on Run as Administrator, and if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So this time you need to copy and paste the second command. Okay, copy, Control C, paste it here, and then restart your computer. And once you have restarted it, your error will be fixed. Okay. Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.